Short circuit or not?
Short circuit.
No short circuit. How you kule box le and check another one there. What's happening is so?
We are about to test now. Live to earth.
Hey guys, please,
Already?
Is it on?
Oh.
Okay. No short circuit. No short circuit between live and neutral. No connection, which means the circuit is open somewhere. Mind you, we don't know if it's the cord, we don't know if it's the plug, we don't know if it's the switch, we don't know if it's the element. So you have the responsibility to find out. Thank you. Sauber.
Why didn't you come and join us?
I thought we were changing the kettle. Oh. Test as well. Life and neutral or life and earth? Nothing.
Life and neutral.
Life and earth, neutral and earth. Nothing. Life and neutral. What does that mean? What does that mean?
Circuit is open.
Huh? Circuit is open.
No.
It's telling you that there's continuity. You're saying the circuit is open. Wow. It means it's working.
Live, so better in the one. So there is continuity. Yes, and then neutral is blue or black. Okay, neutral. Yeah. Okay, problem. Check your neutral. Yeah, just without F. We don't have a problem with our wires. So we move on to the next thing. Switch. We'll take it out. I see.
Switch for the linking.
I'm going to say cut your tester.
Lapho ufuneke i-pressure. Make sure. Because mawungaba soft, ama-threads azophela ungayivula. Ifuna star, why niyenza why ningasebenzisi star?
Minero star ngene la flat.
Allen key. Is it star or Allen key?
It is somewhat of a flat, but in a mark grooves on the side.
What's your request?
How do we check which is the switch is working or it's allowing gas. Actually, do we test it like we're testing resistance of the element, or do we like one port here and then you connect to the
What do you think makes a circuit complete?
what makes it complete?
Starting from here, going in.
Yeah.
So which means a switch. On the switch there's nothing. You can't test it. It's open. You need to attach that here. When that one is attached, then it can go through the element, then it comes back. However, what you can do is from here up until the point where the gas comes in. Or the other side from there to here, because it's open like this.
Yes.
Yeah.
How is on my approach?
When it's closed, when it's open, just press it down. Press it down.
Yeah. Good. Fire. There's a reading. Should we have resistance? Go to the next one.
The other side. No reading. So which means umlilo from this side awufiki ngani. Angithi on the other side uyafika. So the other side, it means we have an open thing either outside or inside the switch.
Let's crack the switch.
So when you open the switch, you'll check inside. There's one side that is not making the contact. The other side, because it gives you a bell, it means there's contact. On the other side, if there's no contact, it won't make the sound. Are we winning?
Tester bando live.
Supposed to close everything, right?
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Iyaphela
So I can
vala lapho gazi phelele lapho qedile stila nalo manje Ay. İzleyen. Oy. Ay. Sen kala bu. Ay.
We ma.
Pascal est le
Lento yenza ayenziwa.
element
Ayenziwa lento yenzayo. Lapho yonke intambo ihamba separate. You can't get continuity between the two. Everything is separated.
Checking our one. Checking our one.
What are you looking for? Lentam ihamba from la iphelela. Le ihamba la iphelela. Le ihamba la azinhlakani futhi. Those are separate cables. The only thing that makes them come together is when you put the kettle on top. It completes the circuit. When they are seated like this, the only way to test is from here to there, from here to there. I don't know what you are trying to achieve.
Ngoba ali-on straight mfowethu.
Ale only, is it because there's no contact between the kettle and the stand? Or what? Let's not force the things that are not supposed to be there to be there.
You're right. Should stand is right. Should you give the kettle?
As long as